Hey, thanks for tuning in. We're going to look at subtracting when there are three-digit numbers involved. And I kind of set this up ahead of time. So we have the number 707 minus 158. So in the ones place, we have 7 ones, we have no tens, and we have 7 hundreds. The problem asks for us to take 8 away, and we don't have enough to take away. We can't borrow from the hundreds. So that means or from the tens, so we have to borrow from the hundreds. So we're going to cross one out. So instead of having 7, we now have 6, and we can add 10. But we still haven't been able to help the ones yet. So we're going to cross out one of these, and now we're going to add 10 more. And now we have enough to be able to take out 8, or take away the 8. So there's 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From our 10, oh, I'm sorry. When we borrowed over here, I forgot to cross out. We have 9 of them here, so we have 9 there. Now it asks for us to subtract 5. So we're going to take away these 5 right up here. And what we have left is 4. So that means in our tens place we have 4. In our hundreds place we have 6, and they want us to take away 1. So we'll take away this one, and that leaves us with 5. So we end up with the answer of 549. We'll do one more. We set it up like this. And we see we have 8 ones. We have 7 tens. And we have 6 hundreds. They ask for us to take 7 away. So here's 5 gone and 2 more. We have 1 right there. We have 7. They want us to take 9 away, but we don't have it. So we're going to borrow right here. We're going to cross that one out, and we now have 5. So we can add 10 here. So that makes us 17. When we take away the 9, we have 5 here to take away, and that makes 9 right there, which leaves us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I'm sorry, let me count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry about that. We have 5. They're asking for us to take 5 away, so we'll cross those out. So we end up with the answer of 81. And that's how we subtract three-digit numbers with regrouping.